Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel, TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Truist Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Truist Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as truist.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Truist Mortgage. Now, tap on the sign in button which is on the top right of screen. Then a form will open up asking for your user ID and password. So go ahead and type your user ID in the text field given for user ID. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can also check this box that says save user ID so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on the text that says reset password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be logged in successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.